Hello everyone, this time we are going to learn how to repair a washer dryer. In this case we have to test first that voltage arrives. If voltage does reach it, we are going to have to intervene the card to the card. What we have to change is this oscillator, which here has its license plate is almost always the oscillator. It can be the IPM module or some fuse, but almost always it is the oscillator since it was repaired and changed. It is installed in the washing machine and here we are testing it. Look, it already turns on LED. It gives us life so only. We have to try it and here it is. You can see the full video on the channel, either Facebook or YouTube, and if you liked it then give it a little heart or like it, and see you until next time.